What's up, guys? We're going to be backtesting the 6-minute chart for our quantum tools strategy. Let's begin. How do we play this thing? There it is. Alright. That's our first signal. Here it is. Just go one by one. Okay, so it rejected once again. This is enough, and we got our indicators coming in. We're gonna put our stop loss to the half of this long wick here. We're gonna put our patented 0.6, and let's see how it plays out. So because why this is probably gonna work is because there's a lot of prices here that it went too fast through these prices. So at some point it's gonna reverse, and it's got to hit those prices to hit those stop losses or whatever it is that it has to hit. But chances are it's going to correct itself out. Corrections are practically guaranteed in forex. Okay, well here we could have technically went out, but it's still not our patented 0.6. Let's keep it rolling. Our support is holding. Oh boy. And yeah, there it is. Come on now. Jesus. Is it gonna work? 0.6. Okay, now we see this beautiful grouping of even more indicators. So this is a perfect time to go in again. We're gonna lower our take profit. We're gonna set this one a little lower, just under these lows. And now we have two positions on buy. This is GBP, JPY. It's laggy. Well, what is going on here? It's a very choppy market, apparently. Not the best to trade. But finally, oh, nope. What the fuck? Oh, thank you. Finally, our take profits have been hit. Boom. Let's continue. Okay, we're seeing some signals for a down ski. Even more signals. Yep. Now we're going in on a down ski. Sell. Put this right above here. And put our patented 0.6. Now, 0.6 is not really a take profit. We don't really put take profits, but as soon as it does hit around 0.5, 0.6, sometimes rarely even less, we're going to move our stop loss to break even, or just make a little, or just if it does lose, it's going to lose a very small amount, just to give it some wiggle room in case it corrects itself out. So that 0.6, oof, that was close. You see? Wow, that was a good stop loss. Even bigger would have been good. Our stop loss is usually 5 pips, 5 to 7 pips, 10 max. But you see, this 0.6 worked perfectly. And now it says to buy, but we're not sure. So sometimes we have to wait, just because it still could be a sell downtrend because of these signals. So we're just gonna wait this out. The buy would have been pretty good, actually. It would have been a good buy. Okay, we're getting some signals for a reversal. Oof, we could have taken that one down. And now we have signals for a buy. I'm gonna put it under. Oof. First bad trade. We're gonna look for a reversal here. Boom. Now, technically, if we're really looking at this chart while it's happening, we'd probably go and get in somewhere here. But just for an example, we went in even later, and we're gonna see if it plays out. Yep. Boom. Beautiful. So putting our stop loss under the previous low with a little bit of wiggle room, usually works out more than it doesn't. It could have taken a beautiful 0.8. Boom. Let's keep it going. Looks like it's in an uptrend and now it's selling. Yeah, this is good enough to take a sell. Boom, we're gonna put our 0.6. Oof, no bueno. Okay, clearly there's some kind of stuff going on here. Looks like it's gonna go up, and that signal is good enough. We have 1, 2, the VWAP is crossing over, and this the Williams. Boom. Patent 0.6. Boom. Take profit has been hit. Let's go. Buys are still looking pretty good, so we're gonna go in again. 0.7, pretty decent. Oof. The fuck. Alright. Now this buy should be a good buy. Beautiful. Now this one we would have probably loaded it up twice as much, just because it gives us a lot of price to a lot of range to get back to into profit. So loading this up with 2 trades would have probably been, it would have been better. What time is it? Okay, 4 bad times to trade. So 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, obviously don't trade. Usually the best trading hours are 7 a.m. to 10-11 a.m. EST. That's all you need. And maybe 2 a.m. for the London. Okay, you see the very inactive market here, and this is this is London open. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna break these? Okay, big strong movement. We're gonna take the buy, put it right under, put our patented 0.6 and see how it goes. It gave us good indication that it's gonna go up. Oof. Okay. Okay, first boom, right away. So you see this one also would have been a double, but just for time, we're gonna make it a 1. Now it's giving us, boom, breaking new highs. We're gonna put this somewhere here around we just have to put it at a price that it's very unlikely to come back to, which is somewhere around here, because there's going to be a lot of buyers here now. And now breakthrough, we're going to take it just 0.5. Ooh. 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 Oh, that's not good. Okay, try number 2. Now this one of how we trade it is doubling it up. Now if this one fails with the double, then we come back to the 1s, no doubling, and lowering the lot size, or just stopping trading for the day. That also works. Okay, it's giving us good direction towards the upside, so we're gonna keep these trades going. Do it. Okay, are you gonna? Wow, really chose a good time to enter. Does it break through? What is happening here? So had our trades still been trading, well, yeah, we would have lost that one. Damn. Well, we did have a lot of time to break even and even make a decent profit, but had we held, we would have lost. Damn. Okay, continuing. So we got a good support level going. Put our pattern 0.6. Boom. Beautiful. Making new lows. Now it's bouncing off. VWAP is looking like it's about to cross over. It made a new high. It's still unsure, and now it's definitely sure that it's going up. Boom. Under the new lows, take our patented 0.6. Boom, easy, right away. Take profit hit. That was wonderful. Alright, it's coming back to this support line. And for it to be an uptrend, it has to start breaking these areas. Are you still recording? Good. Okay. Oh, we could have taken a buy. It's okay. Boom. You see that? And it's probably gonna go all the way down to the. Nope. Ooh, couldn't get through. So the buyers look like they're accumulating. You see, because of this little thing happening here. Oof. And finally, there is news about the buyers coming in. We're going to put our patent 0.6. Oof, that was close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's giving good indication that it is finally going up. Okay, we're going to load this one with double the size because this one with all this beautiful signal should be good. It really wants to go up. It really wants to go up now. Yep. Boom. So this one was a loss, but these two were a win. It broke through this thing. Now I'm pretty sure we could actually hold these all the way to around here because it has broken through our little section there. And as expected, somewhere down here we should have definitely closed. Yeah, it went even further actually. Went even higher all the way almost to that zone. And it's probably going to hit that zone, to be honest. Yep, boom, as expected, it hit our other zone. So had we just held all the way at that zone, we would have made full profit. That would have been a beautiful trade. So this is why we re-enter when this good signals appear. So this one was like a false one. This one you could have definitely made some profit or at least break even. And finally with the 9, with the Williams and the VWAP and everything coming in, you could just see that there's buyers accumulating. Boom, and they're not letting it's making higher highs. So this is all buyers. buyers. It's not letting get through these prices. All right, let's continue. Oh, now it's dipping into the buyers. Oh, and all the buyers, boom, that's where they're sitting. So let's boom, put this, and it's most likely, let's put our patented 0.6. Easy. Yep. Easily, and it broke through our resistance there, which means it's making new highs and new higher lows. It's probably an uptrend, so we're going to be looking for buys mostly on the retracements. Okay, it's probably retracing. It's going to hit off this thing, and if it doesn't break through, it's gonna go up. Oh, it breaks through. Oop, it was a fake out. Oh, it goes back. Oh, and it's going up. Yeah, so now it's playing with this level, and it broke through, and now it's back, and now the buys are coming in, and we were looking for buys, which makes sense to enter, but this is like a double A setup. It's not the best setup, but we're confident that boom, it hits our take profit, because there was just so much buying action. It's just screaming buyers are in the market. And so reaching these levels here where it just recently was not crazy, and we put our take profit a bit even lower than that level, which pretty much assured us we had about 80% chance here, 80 to 90% chance of our TP hitting. First, the wiggle room, which is beautiful, and our 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 risk to reward, patented. Let's continue. Okay, it looks like it is bouncing off. Nope. Oh, yep, it is. Oh my god, that's a strong movement. Now on movement like this, let's see if we could capture 0.5 here. Yep, you see lots of buyers with big candles like that. That just tells you that some people are ready to push that buy button instead of that sell button. And so that over, what's it called, like enveloping candle or whatever this thing is, it enveloped this little bear candle, which means it just says you should probably reconsider your sell because the buyers are coming in. Okay, oh, it's giving us signals for a sell, and then boom, and a 9. We like that. It's gonna give us good. We're gonna make it a bit higher and take a little 0.5 just because it could be a continuation. Let's see what happens. Beautiful. Practically almost like literally right away. Oh well, I mean, had to wait like an hour, I guess, but still, you could have already taken profit after like 20 minutes or something. But had we held, we would have made even more. We made 0.75. Very humble 0.75 is the reward. And now it's playing off of, bouncing off of this support. Okay, a little fake breakthrough. Man, boom. Goes to the next one, goes right back up. Oof. What time is it? Yeah, right before the close. Lots of craziness happening at those times. We're at the opens. Boom, looks like a bounce off of our other level here. Pretty good indication that it is gonna go up. We're gonna take a humble 0.6. Boom. And even though it went, whoa. Even though it went way down, us giving ample amount of wiggle room, it did not stop us out. We had another 2.5 pips of calmness before it would have stopped us out. And then when it doesn't, we let it ride, and somewhere around here we would move up our stop loss to break even or literally in profit, because this is a, we're already in profit. Let's just close it without a loss or a break even. And so we would have moved it up somewhere here, and it would have been sky high profits all the way to the top here. That would have been a beautiful trade. But that's exactly the trades that we do, that we make. Boom, hits it off, bounces back. We're waiting for our, is it breaking through? Is it really a breakthrough, or is it a fake? Oh, we got our 9. That's the first signal. Okay. Nope. Oh my god. So yeah, at some point throughout those 6 minutes, when those signals were appearing, we would have switched to the 3 minute, to the 2 minute, to the 1 minute, and we would have seen these things show up on those time frames earlier. And had we seen those things, we would have put a sell position, and we would have definitely banked on this trade. Now, with this big movement, it's probably going to go even lower. Let's watch, shall we? Boom. Obviously, there was lots of volume because of that big wick. Lots of volume. That's what it's saying. It enveloped the buy candle completely, almost double its size, telling you that there's a bunch of sellers with their buttons hovering over the sell button. Their cursors, hovering over. All right, we're gonna do a few more trades and call it a day. Sorry if I sound tired, because I am. All right, looks like a sell. Oh, broke through a main level. Now we're seeing our buys pop up after this big down movement. Just like in our first trade, chances are very high that it's gonna correct. And so we're gonna put a very small stop loss just under, and put a very humble 0.63 and see what happens. Damn, and boom, as expected, beautiful trade that could have ended up a 1.85 risk reward. What a absolutely massively beautiful. So another certainty in forex is literally after a trend, no matter like the size, usually 99.9% after a trend there will be a correction. And so knowing that, if you time it right, because there's a bunch of fake corrections or reversals, you could definitely just have a strategy relying on reversals and corrections, just like this. Let's do one more trade and then count up the other trades. And here we're finally finding some kind of support. Gives us a pretty decent indication that there are more buyers than sellers. And this one, with having a big stop loss, we're gonna take a 0.5. Boom, easily hit. Easily could have made a 1-to-1. Boom. Now let's count our trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-to-1 bad trade. 11, 12. 12 to 3. 4. 13. We could have break even, but 13 to 5. 14. 14 to 6. 15 to 7. 16. Oh my god, 16 to 8. 17, 18. This could have been a, oh yeah, this one, 19. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So 19 to 8. It's not, that's okay. It's like a 66%. That's not very good. We're usually at around 75 to 85% win rate, but this is decent. Like with these trades, you should definitely be in profit. We had enough winning trades that if you had held and or not held at sometimes, you definitely would have made lots of profit. So that's it for now. See you guys later. Peace.